TubeBuddy is a free Google Chrome browser extension that integrates directly into YouTube to help you run your channel with ease. Key features that TubeBuddy offers are YouTube channel management, keyword research, optimized search tags, manage comments, and you can create thumbnails as well. To visualize the usefulness of TubeBuddy, here's an example. A quick YouTube search for social media keynote shows several of my videos ranking high, which is what you want. Also, when running a search for social media 2019, you see several of my videos which appear on the first page of search results. Looking closely, you can see that my video titled 5 Social Media Marketing Tips to Dominate in 2019, which has over 38,000 views to date, ranks high for several key search terms, including social media marketing 2019, social media tips, and social media marketing strategy. As a result of ranking high, I directly benefit through not only increased video views and subscribers, but business opportunities as well. Here's a look at one of TubeBuddy's most essential features, keyword optimization. By optimizing the keywords in your description and search tags, you can also rank high in search results. The first step will be to run a quick YouTube search to see what other videos already exist similar to yours and precisely what are the titles of the ones which rank highest. Next, come up with a title that's loosely similar to videos which currently rank high, but go with an alternate title, or add in a catchy buzzword such as tips or advice if your video is a tutorial similar to my example. Then, go to Keyword Explorer in TubeBuddy and type in specific keywords and search phrases that describe your video, such as social media in this case. You can also type in keywords which TubeBuddy will recommend or use the recommended tags below. For TubeBuddy to work effectively, you need to ensure that your keyword tags are also found in the description text of the video. However, be sure to check back often after your video has been published, as TubeBuddy will automatically make suggestions on new tags and also show you how your existing tags currently rank. With YouTube being one of the most searched sites online, growing your presence can be challenging. However, using TubeBuddy gives you the tools needed to stand out. To get started with TubeBuddy, go to tubebuddy.com/Carlos to download the extension. Content is critical for social media success, as the content you post is how online users will be able to find, interact, and engage with you or your company. However, more important than the content itself is knowing how to title a blog post or video on YouTube effectively, so it will be found in search engine results. With BuzzSumo, you can analyze what content performs best for any topic or competitor, and you can find key influencers for your content as well. Although BuzzSumo is a premium tool, you can sign up for a free trial to unlock features that will improve your website SEO and searchability of content across third-party sites and blogs, including LinkedIn, Medium, and YouTube. With BuzzSumo, you can gather ideas for content to create, analyze top-performing content based on keywords, find influencers, bloggers, and journalists to engage. You can also find detailed insights and analytics for content and influencer profiles. And last, you can also analyze what posts perform the best for any topic or page on Facebook, and find the most popular questions asked on forums and e-commerce sites, including Quora. As seen here, with BuzzSumo, you can type in a specific search phrase, such as social media marketing in 2019, and immediately you will see a list of the most viewed and socially engaged posts online. Using this feature, you can share top-performing content to your community and followers on social media, or gather ideas for similar content to create and title yourself, whether it's a blog or a YouTube video. The advantage that you have with BuzzSumo is knowing what already performs well online. Also, you can find who are the influencers, bloggers, or journalists in your field or industry by typing in keywords such as social media in the influencer search section, as seen here. Although BuzzSumo is a premium product, it immediately gives you a competitive advantage and allows you to create content that's likely to rank high in search.